Alright everybody, welcome back to Syracuse Aviation once again. Today I have a 7 model aircraft unboxing for you guys. No special remarks or anything to get into before today's video, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just get started here with the first box on the left. We have 4 models in here, and then we have 3 larger aircraft that I'm very excited for in here. Actually, you know what, I'm going to do this one first because they're a little bit more exciting to me. So yeah, let's go ahead and just get started. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. So both of these boxes came from West Coast Diecast. They're a pretty good retailer, I would say. I've been using them a lot more lately. The only downside is their shipping takes a little bit longer than I would like, but it's not the biggest concern to me. Other than that, their service is pretty good. I apologize for the terrible camera view, but this box is just so big, it's hard to get it all on film here, especially given the tight space that we have, but we're going to make do with what we have here. We're going to open the box up here and turn it sideways for you guys, hopefully, and on the bottom, we have the Aviation 400, 1:400 scale, Edelweiss Air A350-900, along with the Air France and Starlux A350-900s by Aviation 400 as well. So let's go ahead and get these out of the bubble wrap. I apologize if my voice is a little bit cruddy sounding. I literally just woke up and I'm a little bit tired, so basically I didn't want to wait to unbox these. I have a certain schedule that I wanted to upload because I only upload on Fridays now while I'm in school, so certain videos I like to have go up at a certain, or on a certain day, and I don't like to film when my roommate's in here because that's just kind of weird. So I try to do it when he's gone, but he's generally never really gone, so I have to really squeeze things in. So he just went off to class, so that's what we're doing here. But I digress, and I'm really good at that, as you guys probably know at this point. So let's start with the Air France, I think, just because, well, I don't know, it's on top. So very excited for this. I already have the Aviation 400 Air France 787-9. That's a really good plane. I would have gotten this earlier on instead of the 789, but I wanted an Air France plane, and I didn't expect the A350 to be released so soon after. This looks really good. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is... The first thing I'm noticing is just the shape of the nose is so incredible. It looks so good, you guys. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's good stuff. My goodness. That's looking really nice. Beautiful. You have the stand as well, so we'll put that off to the side. And then you do have your landing gear configurations. I will mess with these, well, the gear up configuration I'll mess with whenever I get around to doing a review of this aircraft, but for the time being we are going to stick with the gear down configuration. So let's go ahead and dump these out here. We will reassemble the box and set the model up, give you guys a quick little look, and then we'll move on to the next 2 aircraft here. You have the nose gear. Okay, a little bit tight. Not the worst I've ever seen. Then your main gears. Wow. Very, very nice. Ah. Perfect. Very, very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Wow. Aviation 400. Incredible work, as always. Just amazing detail and accuracy. Really good work. I would say that they're my favorite company, despite the lack of, American domestic narrowbodies. That's not, I'm just talking about the actual quality of the aircraft they release themselves rather than what specifically they release. So that's looking really nice. Very happy to have that one as well. Next up, we're going to do the Edelweiss I already have the Phoenix A340-300. Really nice plane there. Those are being retired though, I believe. They might already be retired at this point, but this will be a nice replacement. Looks very, very nice. So let's go ahead and take a look. Wow. Gosh. My goodness. Yeah, that's really good. I mean, I didn't expect anything less, but still just takes me by surprise with regards to how nice it is. Highly recommend all of these, even the Starlux, which I haven't opened yet. Very nice. I mean, I don't think I even need to say anything. This is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, landing gears here. Start with the nose gear. Pop that in. Nice. Main gears. And she is looking good. Guys, come on now. Just phenomenal. Guys, do yourselves a favor. Pick these up. You will not regret it if you need them, obviously. If you don't like any of these airlines or you just don't need them, period, then whatever. But, alright, grand finale here for the first three Aviation 400s. We have the Starlux A350-900. So let's just go ahead and get into this aircraft here and see what it's all about. So, alright. Gosh, man. Oh my goodness. Guys. I mean, these are so good. Come on now, look at that. Focus, darn it. There we go. Wow. I don't even need to say anything. You guys can just look at these and see how nice they are. Alright, perfect. We got it. It's a little bit tall, you know, like it might not be in there all the way. We can probably fix that over time. But, not too bad there. And the main gears as well. Perfect. Wow. Alright. There is our three Aviation 400 A350 900s. Looking absolutely stellar here. Aviation 400 just always doing a really nice job with liveries and quality control just across the board. Incredible work. So highly recommend you guys get any or all of these incredible aircraft. Truly just incredible work here as per usual. So with all that said, we will finish up the unboxing here with the second box, and we'll get into 4 more aircraft here. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the second box now. This is also from West Coast Diecast. 4 models in here. There should be 1 duplicate of one that I already have, and then the other 3 are a new model, but obviously they're all the same one. So let's try to get into this here, and we will take a look. I misspoke. I do already have these, or I have one of them, but it's a Gemini version. So these are, it is a new plane, but it's kind of a duplicate. You know what I'm getting after. There's one. I'm working in a tight space here, so sorry. We will get the box out of the way in a second. Move that for you. We'll place that on the floor. And we have the 4 models here to finish this unboxing. So we have 3 United 737 MAX 9s in the Evo Blue colors by NG models. Again, I already have one of these by Gemini, so it's nice to continue to fleet build because United is getting a lot more MAXs. So, you know, as opposed to Airbus, they do have the 321neo coming in to their fleet. They have quite a few of those now, actually, so that's nice to have one of those, but they're just going to have a lot more MAXs eventually. I mean, they already do, so I figured if that's kind of the direction they're going in, I might as well just get a few just to have for airport updates and what have you. So I'm going to go ahead and do this first, just because you've probably seen me unbox this 1-2 other times if you've been around for recent unboxings. So the Phoenix models, JetBlue A320. It's the 3rd one that I've got, so I think I'm going to cut it off here. I could take more, but I mean, first of all, I don't even know if they're in stock still, but 3 is plenty. So we also want to make sure if there's any more released in the future that we can get some of those too. You know, try to have some variety. I don't mind multiple regs of the same plane, but I try not to go overboard unless it's the Delta 321 back when I did Detroit. That's kind of another story. So here it is. Quick QC check. Wings good. Stabilizers are good. Antennas appear to all be intact. None of them are loose. Looking good. All the gears except for the nose gear roll, so that's nice. Typical with the Phoenix A320, it seems. Not a huge deal to me. Yeah, looks pretty good. So I do have a review, or more of a comparison of this plane out on the channel, so I'll put a card in the video up there for you guys to take a look at if you would like to see that more in depth, and I'll put that off to the side for now. So let's go ahead and get into the 3 NG models, United 737 MAX 9s. Not really much to report on with these. I think there is one minor little detail that NG kind of missed, which is the red antennas on the bottom. I'll kind of show you what I mean there. And there's your card. It's not the biggest deal to me. Obviously, I got 3 of them. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of a... I've never seen that little sticker there. So I think they meant to put the plastic on top of the plane, but they put a piece of a, like a shipping label or what have you from Cologne, Germany. I don't know what that's about, but shouldn't interfere with the model, which looks to be very, very nice. Sorry, I digressed there for a minute. I don't remember what I was talking about before, but I'm sure it'll come back to me here in a minute. So I think I was talking about the red antennas actually on the underbelly. Let's take a look. Yeah, so these red antennas are supposed to be striped white and red rather than just solid red. Really doesn't matter too much to me. It's a pretty minor detail. Yeah, I'm not too concerned, especially considering that the Gemini one didn't even have those antennas on the underside, so it's better than that for sure. And obviously the rest of the plane is, I think it's better too. Let's do our QC checks, and then obviously we have 2 more of these to go over as well. Good on all of the wings and stabilizers. Antennas are good. Gears, nice. The scimitars, or the splits rather, they're not scimitars obviously. The splits are good, so that's great. Yeah, looks like a really nice plane. Very happy to add this into my fleet and eventually incorporate it into some airport updates. I'm probably going to wait a little bit longer until I start using this in Fort Pierce more often. You know, you probably won't see all 3 of them in there for a while because you know, I want to make use of the 7.5 and the A320 while they have them in the fleet. So I'll probably have these around somewhat, but it'll just be a while before you start seeing all of them at once. So another card there. And I don't know if you guys have seen these, but they've started putting these in the boxes too, so that's kind of cool. We'll set that up there for now. CPR, or CRP rather, whatever. Very good. And the model, of course. Already been through this, so I'm going to try to kind of just, you know, quickly take it out and do the checks, make sure it's good. And then I'll do a couple little spin arounds of these just to show you guys, because we're here. So, good. Great. Looks really nice. Put the box back together. Okay. Gorgeous. And the final one here for today's unboxing. Perfect. Nice. I haven't redeemed any of my points yet from NG, so I'm starting to build up quite a stack of these cards, so I'm hoping at some point maybe I can get a pretty nice free unboxing. Free, you know, I guess, for all intents and purposes. I mean, the shipping is going to be obviously something, but the models themselves will be free. So the third one here looks good. So far, antennas are all there. Great. Yeah, I mean, this is really good. All of these are. Very pleased with the quality control on all of these. They look really good. So from what I've seen, NG's quality control, especially with the Max, has been a lot better than some of the 737s. You know, NGs or 73 NG, I should say. It's kind of confusing how you have the NG models and the 73 NG, but whatever. Yeah, NG's quality control with the Max seems to be really good as of late. I don't know if they ever had a whole lot of issues with the Max quality control, and these are certainly no exception. So these look very good, so I'm very glad to see that. These are also my first NG Max 9s. I don't think I have, yeah, I mean, I have the Southwest Max 8s, but that's it. So very, very nice here. We have the 3 beautiful United 737 Max 9s and the JetBlue A320. And then I will go ahead and grab the Aviation 400s after I make some room, and then we'll put those in as well. Alright guys, that'll conclude today's model aircraft unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Definitely let me know what you guys are planning to pick up out of any of these, if you are at all. Definitely interested to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on all of these, especially these 3 beautiful Aviation 400s. I mean, just always the star of the show whenever I have any of these to unbox. They're always just incredible aircraft. So again, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.